Hi, everyone. Right now, I'll be going over what the external pedagogy team came up with for a competitive analysis of all the data science education startups and companies that are in this current space. And I'm Atharva from Mehendale. So let's get started. So for the overview of what I'm going to be talking about right now, we basically researched commercial options in the data science education space. So what that means is, what their current capabilities are, their appropriateness for teaching, and these are just a few of the possibilities in that space that we've looked at. This is by no means comprehensive, but we have really tried to find some of the biggest, most boldest startups out there that have really trying to push the data science education space forward. And this is available in a Google Doc, which we linked here. So let's get started with Velarium. So as an overview, what it does is it's a cloud platform that is for classrooms, but it's also for the workplaces and for certifications. It has a bunch of different utilities that are built on top of AWS. Also has Jupyter Notebook capabilities. So what that means is it's a fully hosted solution that comes with pre-installed packages, NB grader, HPC solutions, and it employs something called Velarium Classroom. So what it is it's pre-configured with up-to-date software. It's a learning management system, also known as an LMS. And it's easily integrated with other LMSs out there and has a variety of different assessment capabilities, ranging anywhere from automated scoring, inline code feedbacks, plagiarism detection, leaderboard gamification, team project support, peer reviews, anything like that. It also has a different product offering called Velarium Labs, which are built out courses for programming, data science, robotics, and cloud computing. For pricing, it has $10 per student per month per course, and those are all PERS. The premium version adds on the cloud resource fees based on the usage. Now for LumaDesk, it's a simple platform that integrates Jupyter Notebooks with the Canvas or Instructure learning management system. So what it has for Jupyter Notebook capabilities is it has, it supports a bunch of different sort of frameworks, kernels, and languages, including SciPy, TensorFlow, Arcaret, Python 2, Python 3, Julia, R, C++, and it emphasizes customization, as in it has a lot of options for packages, notebook specifications, as in languages and frameworks. Each user has their own environment that includes file backup and recovery, package imports, and resource configuration. For pricing, it has 3 different tiers. So the free tier has a shared CPU core at 60 minutes per month and 1 GB disk space, which is free. It's normally for users that don't really need to use it very much. And the growth option is for small classes. So that's $9 a month for 60 hours per month and 5 GB disk space. That also has auto-grading capabilities. The large option is $29 per month and has a variety of other features. For CoCalc, we found that to be one of the best end-to-end platforms here that supports a lot of remote instructions. And it has real-time collaboration in Jupyter for students to work together, to collaborate on different assignments that they have. For deployment, it's very fast as it's in browser and standardizes the software environment and stack for all users. For the students' features, they can all work online in their individualized workspace. Instructors can see the notebooks in real time and how students actually work through those notebooks using a feature that they call time travel. And they have integrated chat rooms with both instructors and students, so they can talk to either one of them. And they can collect all accesses or edits within their activity log. Now for the administrative features, it gives instructors full control over the assignments, how they're distributed, collected, graded, and it has access to multiple types of tools. So Jupyter Notebooks, Sage Worksheets, LaTeX, and Linux Terminal. For pricing, it has a bunch of different types of options based on the class size, and it even has some customized option based on their either enterprise or personal use case. Now, DeepNote is a new platform that's currently in beta. It's a free beta that emphasizes productivity for more industry-related data science applications and has a really good implementation of real-time collaboration as well. So it's a free proprietary notebook, but when we say free, that's in the beta testing. And it's Jupyter compatible. So it has real-time collaboration, as we said, and fast deployment. The beta features that it has currently are variable internal state transparency, autocomplete, some form of code review, linting, and a really great command interface. It's looking to include versioning, dashboard conversion, and full reproduction sometime in the future. As for its integrations, it has a variety of them, so ranging anywhere from GitHub to AWS, MongoDB, and even Apache Spark coming soon. It has a couple different options for hardware customization, for anywhere from 1 to 4 vCPUs, anywhere from 1.5 gigs to 12 gigabytes of RAM, and has a lot more based on request. So it seems to have a lot better collaboration than RStudio or even Google Colab. Now for Python Anywhere, this platform is built for instruction support for pretty much all types of class use cases. And deployment is fast. As we said before, in-browser options normally quite fast. And it standardizes the software stack and environment for all users. For the student features, it does have an individualized workspace for each student, and instructors can see those notebooks in real time. For the administrative features, similar to CoCalc really, lots of control over assignments, manual and auto grading using NB grader, even has syntax highlighting, error checking, Python 2 and 3 consoles, and lots of modules that you can import. And it recommends the free option for any courses that are looking to be, intro to programming, intro to coding, and has a variety of hardware options. So ranging anywhere from 2,000 to 100,000 for CPU seconds, and disk space from 1 gigabyte to 50 gigabytes, and potentially unlimited if you want to pay the money for it. Now, GitHub Classroom is a platform that creates an end-to-end learning system. It's built on GitHub, as the name would suggest, for programming classes of any size. Now, it has automated testing, code review, version control, bootstrapping of assignments, and even access controls for those assignments. And the Jupyter Notebook capabilities has a Git integration that students can push to. It is looking to pre-populate repos in the future with robust directions on how to set it up. Now, it doesn't have any publicly available pricing, so we believe that it's on a case-to-case basis or potentially free, but we're not entirely sure. Now, it seems to emphasize customizability as well. So it works with multiple element systems, provides as many repos or webhooks as the user needs, and it has a very easy setup, which it emphasizes that it only needs one link and one click. And with that, thank you so much for sticking with me today. This is the competitive analysis, and we've linked the doc already. So thank you so much for your time.